Alright, let's look at how to graph equations of lines. Basically, all you're looking at here is y equals mx plus b. The number with the x is always the slope, and the value b is where you begin. You always begin on the y-axis. This is your y-intercept. So this first problem, y equals 2x plus 3. The plus 3 here means you're going to begin at 3 on the axis. And your slope is to go up 2 to the right 1. Think of it as a fraction, up 2 over 1. I would do that a couple of times, and instead of going up and to the right, I can also go down and to the left. Oops, accidentally bumped the board. Down and to the left, 2 over 1. And then you just connect your dots to make your straight line. Just that simple. For this one, your b, your negative 5, is where you begin. Your slope is now 1 over 4. Up 1 to the right 4. Up 1 to the right 4. You could also go down 1 to the left 4. Down 1 to the left 4. And now you can connect your lines, just like that. Number 3, you have a negative 3 over 5 for your slope. But first begin where you begin at negative 2. Always again on your y-axis. Negative 3 means you're going down 3 to the right 5. Down 3 to the right 5. The biggest mistake that a lot of people will make when they do this is not only will they go, as I go up 3 to the right 5 again, a lot of people try to go down 3 but then go to the left 5. If you did that, you would still get a positive slope, a line that's going up as you go from left to right. That's not what we want. This slope is negative. My line should be going downhill, and that's what it is. So negative 3, positive 5. Down 3 to the right 5. Alright, let's look at a couple more. Here's some special cases. Y equals 4x. Well, where's the b? Where's your begin? We don't have a begin. We begin at 0. So we begin right at the origin when it's just y equals something times x. And now again, your slope is like 4 over 1. Up 4 to the right 1. Up 4 to the right 1. Or down 4 to the left 1. That means the same thing. When I say down 4 to the left 1, the reason why I can do that, if I connect my dots a little better, is if I go down 4, that's negative, and to the left 1, negative 4 divided by negative 1 is positive 4. So I can go up and to the right, or down and to the left. It both ways works, and you should go a couple points in each direction. Now 5 here, instead of 4x plus 0, well hey, look, this one has no x's. 0x. 0x plus 4. So that means 4 is your b. That's where you begin. And if we have a slope of 0, that means 0 over whatever number means I'm not rising at all. I'm only running. So I'm going up 0 and to the right some value. That's going to give me a horizontal line just like that because your slope is 0. Now 6 here is the one that's a little tricky. This is the only time you start on the x-axis. And why? Because it's x equals something. So x equals 4 means we go on the x-axis. And if we do that, x should always be the value 4, which means that I want all y values possible. That's where you get an undefined slope, a straight up and down line. So y equals gives you something on the y. All y's, no matter whether you're over here or over here, your y values are always 4. X equals means you're up and down, your x value is always 4. Okay, 3 more final examples for us to look at. This first one's pretty straightforward. You begin at negative 8. Your slope is 4 over 5. So up 1, 2, 3, 4 to go right 5. Up 1, 2, 3, 4 to go right 5. And I'm going to connect my dots because I can't go any down to the left. This one, number 8, looks very similar, but you're beginning at positive 8. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. Whoops, I am out of room. I can't go up and to the right. Well, that's fine. And we just said in the last slide, instead of going up and to the right, I can say, well, I can go the opposite. Up and to the right, or down and to the left. So down 1, 2, 3, 4, to the left 5. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the left 5. And there is that line. And notice, this is a positive slope. I should still be going up as I go from left to right. I should be going uphill, and I am. That's good. This one at number 9 should always be going downhill. So let's check. I begin at negative 8. I should go down 3 and to the right 2. Well, it's kind of off the graph. We shouldn't do that. So again, instead of going down and to the right, so we have down and to the right, well, let's flip it around. Let's make it go up and to the left. You still have a positive divided by a negative or vice versa. It's the same thing. So I'll go up 3 to the left 2, up 3 to the left 2, and maybe I'll do one more because I can't go in the other direction, just to make sure I have them all there. Oops, I'm not going to the left 2 though, I was going to the left 1. Up 3 to the left 2, there we go. Up 3 to the left 2. Now I have my straight line, and double check, is my slope going down? Am I going downhill? Yes, I am. That's exactly what we want. So there you have it. There's your examples for how to graph equations.